Are you tired of paying exorbitant fees for research papers? Do you wish there was a way to access the latest scientific research without paying any fee and breaking the bank? Sci-Hub is the revolutionary website that provides free access to millions of research papers. Before starting the video, please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Let's start how you can open any research paper article or any research material without paying subscriptions fee. First, go to your research paper. I'm typing in Google Scholar. I'm trying to open a research paper for literature review. I'm typing geology. There is a lot of papers available. I'm searching paper of my interest. Click open. Now I want to open this paper and download this research paper for free. First step, you have to find the DOI number of the paper. This is the DOI number of this paper. After finding the DOI number, copy this number and open Sci-Hub website in new window and paste the DOI number you copied. Now see the paper is opened. You can also download this research paper by clicking on Save option at the side. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and appreciate our efforts for you. If you have any question, comment down below. I will be happy to answer you. Thank you for watching.